Okay.
The weeping bride, the watching bride again. Down came the morning, the
Up came the sun, dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy. Daddy is at Dr. Carrasco's office. He's in the doctor's office.
Where's Nana?
Nana is at home.
Oh, this is Mommy.
What?
Give her this.
Sure.
This button.
Go ahead and press it. Just don't make a mess, okay? Don't make a mess inside Daddy's car. I said don't make a mess.